right now I'm going to show to you how you can link your YouTube channel to your Facebook page. Now to do that, what you have to do is come here to the search button, click on YouTube tab, click share. Then it's going to display a number of apps which belongs to YouTube to you on the Facebook. Then click on this YouTube tab, business and page or pages. Click on use now. So the next thing is just watch. Now it's going to bring this to you. So what you need to do now is just scroll down, you click on install application. Then after installation is done, it's going to tell you that you should select Facebook page that you want the YouTube to be displaying. You click on select, get pet says. Now I want to use pet says. After that is done, click on add page tab. Now wait, installation is in progress. So after this one is done, after YouTube tab has been installed, now what you have to do now is that you have to come here. Just be patient. All right, now you can see the application setting now, YouTube channel ID. So what you need to do is that you are going to copy your YouTube channel ID here. Come to your YouTube channel, click on the name of the YouTube. You can right click to copy the link, copy link address, come back to your Facebook page, then come here, replace this ID with the one you just brought. Just Ctrl V. Now that is your YouTube channel. Then here, feature video ID, you can go back to your YouTube channel to copy a video ID link. For example, you can choose to copy the link here. Just right click, copy link address, come back to your Facebook page, come here to paste it, Ctrl V. So after that is done, you can do one or two things again. Autoplay, you can click on yes, and then after that is done, you save settings. You can see that when you have finished saving the settings, it is going to display your YouTube channel here, right here on your Facebook page. Can you see? This is the video, feature video. I click on the I put here on the feature video. Then you can see other videos that belongs to my channel here. Now if you like this video, please subscribe for more video on SAMJUST-TV on YouTube. Thank you for watching.